I'll tell you what. Hello, baby. Catch that water balloon. Oh, yeah, baby. Go get the first one. Oh, yes. Now play with it. Well, you can do whatever you want, baby, because it's your balloon now. Don't worry, you can go out the park when the balloon goes out. I think you can. But I get it for you.
Crazy cat. You're a crazy cat.
I can't go out the park. Only when you ask me to. Okay, get that. I thought it was too. Can I get that? No! Get it. Taking a video?
Yeah.
His name is Tobo, and they found him
6 days ago.
6 days ago.
And okay.
they don't know what his name is.
Right.
Right.
We don't know if it's a kitty yet. Still.
And they don't. If people
Okay.
claim them, then it's gonna be theirs. But
Okay.
now I forgot. And he's a sub maker.
Yeah, just like you.
Sub.
Just like you.
Video's almost over.
All right, say goodbye.
Bye bye. And